it all the while.
Yes.
I have never been on the road and have a difficulty with a policeman over the 14 listen, and you know something, I don't know if it's God grace or whatever. The last time I'm going to Chicago. Chicago? Yeah, I travel. And I leave work the day. Me leave work the day with my work bag. Go straight into the airport, take my plane, travel to one place. There's a place from go New York, left New York, go Georgia. Right, go Georgia. And spend 3 days at Georgia. I come back from Georgia, I come back to New York.
Yeah.
When me put my bag and that thing for to scan, me see the bag jump out and gone through one different gate. And I say, hello, that's my gate. That's my. He said, hold on, man, don't worry yourself, man, so get it. When the man then come on and open the bag, if you see what them find night. And I was very, very calm, very calm. Remember, you know, I mean, I'm a white man country and I was very calm.
Yes, very calm. So what did you
officer, this is a terrible mistake, you know. And I take out my documentation and said, see there, I actually leave work day before yesterday. Jump in the airport and I don't know how this come, don't know how these leave kings down in the first place. And all the man said, Mr. Ingram, this happened to the best of us, but we can't give you back, we have to destroy it. And that was it. And I've heard on numerous occasions in Jamaica where people come here and been charged and go jail and all them some simple thing like that. And I had no problem today. So I think
you don't want to say you don't want to say what was it that they find in the bag?
Something that should not be in the bag.
Okay. All right.
Something that should not have left Jamaica in the first place.
Okay.
I don't know how it left Jamaica.
I am curious as to what that thing is, but anyway, that's all right.
I think I know what is that.
Yes.
Because it was empty. Because
it was empty. It was empty.
You see, I don't know, but I know exactly.
Yes, and let me tell you something. What I'm telling you about, it was fully packed,
yes.
And in a double casing.
Yes.
Well packed, fully charged. I don't know that.
Me no last me now though, but anyway. Sydney here. I want to take
but the point I'm making, I believe at the point about the ID, you're going on the road. If a policeman stop you, there should be no difficulty. Yes. If I'm going to a roadblock in Jamaica today, and I'm going through, the moment it's a roadblock, whether it stop me or not, the moment it a crawl, all my windows are down.
Yes.
All my windows are down. Me not have nothing for hide. So it depends on your relationship and how you present yourself.
Cooperate how you present yourself.
And cooperate, yes.
True.
Yes.
True. All right. Yeah, man. Thank you for that, Comrade Ingram. We're getting to the final argument. We want to hear from Sydney and Pat in a little while. Sydney, morning, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
I don't know. Morning, comrade. Morning. You me answer bright this morning?
Yes.
Morning.
Oh, you answer right. Go on.
Yeah, man. Thing's very sweet, no, man. I'm telling you, say me live among some well labor, right? It's sweet me now, this man. If you hear me answer so bright, you know there's something sweet me.
I was sweet, you know.
Yeah. Man, me hear them a complain, say boy, them have them little water sports and them thing, and them have them pool party and them thing, and they can't come with the water gun and all them, so the children them love it and them can't sell it. If you ever know that sweet me, yeah man. 15 years, man, and will complain to the police too hard to get 22. Oh, man, me say it's sweet me. It's sweet me. If you ever miss a man,
Sydney, but I think to Draconian.
No, man, if you're more drastic, man,
like
I think they'll have to revisit it.
Brother, that's not revisit. Enough revisit it. If we go and Mr. 30 years, then forget. I 1 PM I do it. And me a back him. Me a back him pan them. Yeah, man. What then do me? Me a back him, man. And me a tell you, say, put on the pan them 1 PM. No ease up. Don't ease up. I didn't hear that quarrel.
That's a quick point here. That's a quick point here.
One second, Sydney.
That's a quick point here. If anyone have any business to do at Sagicor Bank, try and get it done as quickly as possible. Strike action looms at Sagicor Bank. I just got a notification here.
Oh, what's that? Strike action?
Yeah, loom at Sagicor Bank. So in case anybody have any transaction to do any business there,
Okay.
Because we don't know how long when it might take place.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that.
Hold on. Action looms at Sagicor Bank. So thank you for that.
Strike action.
Strike action.
I know me.
So people, if you don't have any business to do, so as I say, thank you, Popo, the solution program that inform people here. We're do the business as quickly as possible because strike action looms at Sagicor. We're not so sure what they are going to protest over, but action looms at Sagicor. So if you don't have any business to do, go ahead and do the business at Sagicor. Thank you for that, Popo. Yes, Sydney.
You're welcome.
Yes, man. And if you get to understand, say if you have you always get 100,000 at the bank, you can draw one time. Now we split in two, you have to draw 50,000 and 50,000 because they want two money from you. Yeah, man. Every time you draw, money come out in $100 come out for it. So you want the 200 now.
You draw money off Scotia Bank now $50.
Right.
Yes.
Right. So you see, and you have to make two withdrawal and all and something, then say that one now if you get the most certain amount of money and them I get put on upon them. Put on upon them ready and me mattress try and big hole put it. Put it on them one PM.
That's another indirect taxation, you know. That's another indirect taxation, you know.
But for no hear me attack, you know, hear me say me talk sweet this man, no hear me attack. Me Jolene is gone, man. Me Jolene is gone, oh me want to put down the panel. Especially water gun business, and then I catch me and me want my youth them say watch ya. Try not touch none of them things, then nothing. Cause me say me glad for it.
The gun can sell again then.
Me want to pan them up to the people them say them will lock up with it. So no, somebody alone.
Really like to like it still, but it not affect me really.
Me love it. Me love it, man. Me tell you if you give me a
hold on.
The $1 million question is, I know the answer, but I'm just trying out there for the public benefit. Do we make water guns here?
I'm not sure.
Okay. So why is it if somebody purchase it from the importer, get 15 years, how many years does the importer get?
Just shake your hand and say go free. I love it that way.
And you see how they store people and fill lock up and them and sell it.
No.
How did it get in the country? How did it get into the country?
They don't make a difference in the vote in Jamaica, so allow them. They don't make no difference in the vote in Jamaica, allow them.
They do it now. They do, but not physically voting. But funding.
Yeah, man, you know that me say, man, everything, you know, you're sweet. Me say they don't make a difference. And we send a black people, and we send a little sufferer, run go 1 PM and get your
Northern Clarendon. Big up all the people up at Kelly's. Northern Clarendon. Big up Lines, big up Wavell Lines, new MP. We welcome you, Wavell Lines. We are so happy from this platform. I must say publicly, I think I said it before, but I'm so happy for you, Wavell Lines. Congratulations, all the best, and try and do your best because these seats are some swing seats. If you don't do your best and communicate with the people, Comrade Hines, communicate, do your best and communicate and see if you can hold on the seat. That's what
definitely so true. And Rat, if you probably might run into me, but you wouldn't know either because we didn't officially met. But trust me, I am one on the street certain way, so chances are you would have run into me, but we did the formally met.
Hey, if you see me on the street, man, just feel free to call to me and have a little chat. A little conversation. We can have a little conversation sometime, you know? If you see me, feel free. Yeah, man. Nikisha, big up Wavell. Nikisha, if you're from Northern Clarendon and you want to come in the box, you know.
Radcliffe.
Yes,
Radcliffe. If you see me on the street, you come to attention. It's simple as that.
Give me the what?
If you see me on the street, you're required to come to attention.
Oh.
And behave properly.
Okay, I get. There's a hint there. Yeah, I think I get the hint. I get the hint. I like that. Yeah, man. Popo, finish up. Popo, you did finish up what you said, my brother.
Yeah, man, definitely. Just putting the people and in Jamaica and their grounds for those who have ears to hear, let them hear. You know what I mean? It is sad, but it is a fact, and we can't continue to play down like the PM and try to sell a goods that is not there. You get me? So
yeah, I like that. I love that. But Popo, you see, I'm not going to go through everything, but I have to get through this part, the next part of the story. And if you can stay with us and maybe give us some update and give us some insight into this matter, then that would be good. Because this, as we said in Popo and Comrade, this is not where you just hear political views and so on. This is a national program where we cover all the issues that is affecting the country and the people. You know? So this is what it's all about. And for making a better Jamaica, because that is what we want, you know? We need a better Jamaica. Alright, so there's a clip that I have to play with the massacre where Comrade Ingram, you mentioned about you gave your condolences on the program this morning for the families who have lost their members in Linston, St. Catherine. I have this clip. I'm going to play it, and then we want to talk about it a little bit. But what is happening? What is really happening in Linston, in St. Catherine, where the fear of violence? I'm going to play the clip from Damien, but I have to find out what is really happening in Linston, in St. Catherine. A few weeks ago, we understand that a 7-year-old was raped, right? And then after, 5 persons lost their lives in that area. And we are very concerned about it, and we want to find out what is causing this fear of violence. Why are we unaliving our fellow brothers and sisters, especially our fellow brothers? Hold on. Why are we doing that? People, let us get civil. Let us be neighborly. Let us be brotherly. Let us be a haven for peace. You can't want peace. How can you want peace? How can you want to be in peace and harmony, and then you're creating havoc in society? We don't value the life. We value our lives. Because these gunmen and women sometimes who are creating havoc, they want to be here. They want to live. They want their family to live. So why are we unaliving our brothers and our sisters? Is it a case that we believe that our life is more important than other people's life? Is it a case like that? Let me tell you something. We have to get civil. And let me tell you something, sooner or later, these acts of violence is going to show up on our doorstep someday. If we do not stop it, and let me tell you something, as Comrade Ingram said earlier too, when you're digging a hole, don't dig one hole, dig 2 holes. And tell you what, dig your hole first. I will say it. Dig your hole first, and then after you dig your hole, you dig the other person's hole. That's all I can say from now. But I want you to listen to Damien Crawford. Damien Crawford is a new MP for that area. Is that Northwest St. Catherine? Am I calling the constituency right? Comrade Ingram and Popo. Is it Northwest St. Catherine or Southwest St. Catherine?
I'm not sure.
Okay, it's Northwest St. Catherine, man. I think you get it right. Yeah.
Northwest. I think it's Northwest St. Catherine. So okay. Damien Crawford is the MP for that area. Northwest. I want you to listen to Damien Crawford, and then we'll talk a little bit more about what's happening in Northwest. So let me turn it down a bit. The sound is not very clear, but see if you can hear.